नीरज शफे, आप लोग को डर तो नहीं लगेगा? नो।
बहुत ही जबरदस्त हॉर्स राइडिंग, फास्ट हॉर्स राइडिंग, मजा आ गया।
बाय बाय।
पहले रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं दबाया था, अब दबाया। जोर से।
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're heading to Dreamworld Resort Karachi for a family getaway. We're going to stay here, explore the resort, try out some of its activities, and of course, share our honest experience with you. And after our 1-hour journey, we've finally arrived at Dreamworld Resort. The resort is quite large, and there's a lot to explore, so we were really looking forward to seeing what it has to offer. One thing I found quite convenient was that the reception area is located a little uphill from the main entrance. Since we had our luggage with us, Dreamworld provided a shuttle that took us up to the reception area. This was definitely helpful, especially when you're traveling with family and have luggage with you. We headed to reception for check-in. The process was quite straightforward, and after completing our check-in, we were given wristbands which are used for accessing the resort's facilities and activities. After checking in, we went to our room, dropped off our luggage, and got ready for the day. So, let me give you a quick look at our room. The room was quite basic in terms of its overall setup. It had enough space for our stay, but I wouldn't call it particularly luxurious. It had all the basic facilities that we needed, so from a functionality point of view, we had everything essential. However, I felt that more attention could have been given to cleanliness. There were areas where the cleaning could definitely have been better. The maintenance was also something I felt could be improved. Some things looked a little dated and needed better upkeep. So, honestly, I would describe the room as basic and functional. It had the essentials, but cleanliness and maintenance are definitely areas where I think Dreamworld needs to pay more attention. After settling in and getting ready, it was finally time to explore Dreamworld.
अब हम आ गए हैं ड्रीम वर्ल्ड रिजॉर्ट, और अब हम सबसे पहले जा रहे हैं हॉर्स राइडिंग पे, क्योंकि वो जल्दी बंद हो जाएगी। तो पहले हम हॉर्स राइडिंग करेंगे, फिर हम आगे बढ़ेंगे। शाफे, मज़ा आ रहा है आपको? हैं? नहीं आ रहा? क्यों? अभी मज़ा आएगा, हॉर्स राइडिंग करेंगे ना। तो ये हॉर्स राइडिंग के लिए एटलीस्ट 10 मिनट्स की वॉक है, देन फिर आएगा हॉर्स राइडिंग। नीरज शाफे, आप लोग को डर तो नहीं लगेगा? नो।
Midnight energy, yeah. Let it go, let it go, let it. When you sway like that. बहुत ही जबरदस्त हॉर्स राइडिंग, फास्ट हॉर्स राइडिंग, मजा आ गया।
ज़नीरा, ज़नीरा, हेलो। ज़नीरा, मजा आ रहा है?
शाफे फास्ट चलाना है।
ज़नीरा इधर, अच्छा वहाँ पर वहीं पे रहना मीनू, ओके? शाफे, शाफे लोग मजा आया? शाफे बता तो नहीं मजा आया? कहाँ पर है शिव? हम बंजी जंपिंग पहुंच गए। शाफे से नीरा का डालूंगी और बस।
Midnight energy, yeah. Let it go, let it go, let it. When you sway like that on me.
डबल वाला नहीं है?
Let it go, let it go.
डबल वाला
Don't talk,
हमारा नहीं है तेरा?
think.
मेरा लाइसेंस थोड़ी है मेरे पास।
Let it. Yeah. Right there, spin. No clouds, no rules. Deep shadows, one spark, your body tracing the dark. Slow.
दो पक्के दोस्त।
Only want a little drama. You don't want my heart at all. You're just checking if I'm standing, hoping that I'm gonna call. Yeah, you just want a little drama. Knew it from the very start. You just playing with my feelings, but you'll never win my heart. Now you're walking through the crowded room, making sure that I can see your face. Yeah, you're talking to my oldest friends, trying hard to take up all my space. पहले रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं दबाया था, अब दबाया। सर वो भी जल्दी जाओ, उसका लेके बैठा। 2 boys and 2 girls।
सारे बदले ले लो आज। जोर से
तुक्के में लग रहा है, निशाना ले रही हूँ। मैं सोच रही हूँ मेरा दुश्मन खड़ा है, उसको मार दिया। मर गया, सब मर गए।
चले जाए किधर, उस वाले पे चल। आ जाओ मेरे साथ।
फिर मैं अच्छा कपड़े इसके फ्री होंगे। हाँ।
पानी भरो जल्दी पानी भरो
The next morning, we headed for breakfast. So, let's see what the breakfast at Dreamworld Resort has to offer. The breakfast spread was quite basic, with the usual breakfast options available. We tried a few different items, and overall, the taste was good. Some dishes were quite enjoyable, while others were just okay. One thing I think they could pay more attention to is the cleanliness and presentation of the breakfast area and serving utensils. After breakfast, we spent some more time exploring the resort and enjoying a few more activities. After enjoying the resort for a little longer, we headed back to our room, packed our bags, and got ready to check out. It was finally time to check out and head back home. We had a fun and memorable stay, with plenty of activities and family time, and just like that, our Dreamworld experience came to an end.